Tired of dropping your phone or struggling to prop it up? Meet the PopSockets phone grip with expanding kickstand in black, your new must-have accessory. Don't miss out. Grab yours today. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Bitcoin Bulletin, where we dive into the world of cryptocurrency and bring you the latest news and trends. In a shocking turn of events, the business world is finally catching up with the Bitcoin bandwagon. For years, MicroStrategy has been leading the charge by buying massive amounts of Bitcoin, and now other companies are starting to follow suit. But this time, it's not just about being early adopters. These corporations believe that buying Bitcoin is actually a smart investment strategy. According to billionaire Silicon Valley venture capitalist Tim Draper, companies have a responsibility to buy Bitcoin in order to maximize shareholder value. And he's not the only one who thinks so. In fact, nearly every week, companies like MicroStrategy are reporting major buys of more Bitcoin. Their current stash is valued at nearly $60 billion, and it's clear that they're taking this investment very seriously. But why should companies be buying Bitcoin? The answer lies in the value proposition that Draper and others see as a benefit to shareholders. By holding onto Bitcoin, companies can build wealth and increase their valuation, just like they would with traditional assets like cash or stocks. And it's not just about speculation. Companies are taking a cautious approach by investing in a proven asset class. Now, you might be thinking that this is all well and good, but what about the volatility of Bitcoin? Won't a company's investment in Bitcoin simply wipe out their shareholders' value? The answer is yes. If the price of Bitcoin plummets, companies will take losses on their holdings. But Draper believes that with enough buying power, companies can mitigate those risks and ride the waves of market fluctuations. But what if this strategy actually works? Investment firm Bernstein recently ran some numbers, and they think that publicly traded corporations could add as much as $330 billion to their balance sheets within the next 5 years. That's a staggering amount of capital, and it would almost certainly send Bitcoin soaring to new heights. Of course, we've seen this story before. The hype around Bitcoin has led companies like Tesla and others to jump on the bandwagon, only to realize later that they might have gotten in over their heads. But Draper is confident that corporate America can do better. And with the likes of Microsoft already taking steps towards investing in Bitcoin, it's clear that this trend is here to stay. So what does this mean for Bitcoin investors? Well, if you're looking at stocks like Netflix and Nvidia that have made the cut for the Motley Fool's stock advisor list, stocks that have consistently delivered monster returns over the years, then perhaps you should consider diversifying your portfolio with some Bitcoin. But remember, with great power comes great risk. That's all for today, folks. Thanks for tuning in to Bitcoin Bulletin. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on social media for more updates from the world of cryptocurrency.